This is a quick video on how to change the transmission fluid in your 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. First, we will get under the hood and remove the transmission fill plug cap. This will be located under the battery box as we show here. Turn counterclockwise to unscrew. Next, we'll get under the vehicle on the driver's side to remove the transmission drain plug. You will need an 11mm wrench or socket to remove the plug. Before you remove the plug, be sure to have a drain pan ready to catch the old fluid. This vehicle has 98,000 miles on it. You can see how dirty the transmission fluid already is. We will now let the transmission drain all the way down to a drip. Once drained, screw the drain plug back in. This plug will torque to 9 foot-pounds. Be sure not to over-tighten because you can strip the threads in the transmission case. Next, we will remove the transmission fluid check plug. This is located by the driver's side axle. You can get to it either through the driver's side wheel well or through the bottom as we show here. Using an 11mm wrench or socket, remove the check plug. With the plug removed, we can start adding our Mobil 1 synthetic LVAT FHP with the blue label transmission fluid. Insert a long neck funnel into the fill hole at the top of the transmission. Start adding fluid until you see the overflow coming from the check plug we just removed. After 5 quarts, we have fluid flowing from the check hole. With the vehicle in park and on level ground. Start the engine and let it idle. Start adding more fluid, and if you are experiencing a transmission shudder, we recommend adding a tube of instant shudder fix as we show here. With the engine running, you can see our overflow is coming from the check hole again. We will let the stream get down to a trickle and put the plug back in. This plug will torque to 9 foot-pounds. With both drain and check plugs tight, we can now clean off any fluid under the vehicle. Remove the funnel and screw the fill cap back to the top of your transmission. This vehicle is now ready for a test drive. You will want to get the vehicle up to operating temperature and check the fluid level again. Operating temperature is between 95 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit. I hope this video helps you guys. Please give a like and subscribe.